Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial video. Today, we did a model of the flexural behavior of a steel polypropylene hybrid fiber reinforced concrete, reinforced with a steel reinforcement. Here we have the epoxy layer, then we have the GFRP layer as a full model of the steel polypropylene hybrid fiber reinforced concrete. First, we did the static model, and you can see here in the static model, we have tension damage here, which is happen as the crack grows, or compression damage, stress, or anything else in the model. And you can see the other, like the steel bar, epoxy, or GFRP. Then we have dynamic model. In the dynamic model, uh, you can see the stress, then the tension damage, which is happen. See the tension damage. This is the crack growth in the hybrid fiber reinforced concrete, compressive damage, stiffness degradation, or anything else. Then we can request, for instance, the stress for the other parts like this, or let me replace both GFRP and epoxy. For instance, this is the epoxy as the interface. You can check the plastic strain for that, or displacement, or anything. Then in the third model, we use damage model. See the damage model. In the damage model, everything is different because when the tension damage and compression damage reach the maximum value, the element failed in the model. See in the crack, uh, you can see here, for instance, these are the crack lines here, and the elements are failed. And if we keep the model, see in each increment, the failure increases here. See, and this is the full view of that. So we consider three methods: static, dynamic, and dynamic plus damage for the steel polypropylene hybrid fiber reinforced concrete reinforced with epoxy and GFRP also under Flexural test. And we've got three uh, for displacement diagram. See, uh, the first is the purple is the static model, and after that the not convergence happens. So it till here the maximum is the same almost for all parts, for all models. And for the dynamic, the red one, you can see the resistance is more because of the area under that, the energy area. And the blue is the model with damage behavior. See these three diagrams. Okay, if you want to model the steel propylene hybrid fiber reinforced concrete plus epoxy damage under the flexural behavior, you can come to our website here, abacusfem.com. Find the English tutorial here, click on title. Then you will have here an introduction, geometry and assembly, then the material model, flexural behavior, and then some specification about the model, and at the end the result as figures for all three models. You can provide this simulation contains CAE, INP, paper, English video. The price is 26 euros. Our payment method are all the cryptocurrencies like Tether, Bitcoin, Tron, or PayPal, Visa, MasterCard. Before payment, contact us at this email to tell you more about the payment process, the content of the tutorial, or anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.